What do you say to people who are scared of the stock market? Like, why should they not be upset when they see that their portfolio is down 3% in a day?
I would say two things to that. The first of which would be history, which, as I said before, history is not going to guarantee the future. But historically, if we look back to even absolutely huge drop, the market crash of 2008 and all the future crashes in 1900 and everything, crazy, huge worldwide stock market crashes, or at the very least countrywide stock market crashes when people thought the sky was falling and Chicken Little was screaming. We always recovered from that in one way or another. It may have taken a little while, but we always recovered. And the people who stuck it out during that time and continued to purchase when things were low and continued to dollar cost average and everything, those are the people that see success in the long run. And those are the people that end up being wealthy from it, not the people who pull out and try and time it and get scared and pull out and everything. Those aren't the people that are going to be wealthy in the long run. And also something that helps me is realizing and thinking of the stock market not as ethereal thing that exists that you can't possibly understand and has no relation to the real world or anything. Starting to think about it as these are companies out there that want their stock price to go up. They want their share price to go up. And they're out there innovating. They're out there improving their company, improving their margins, improving their revenue, whatever it is that they're doing. They're out there working to improve their share price because that will help them. And you're in a lot of ways just piggybacking on that success by helping them, by giving them the money that you've invested and everything and sort of loaning them that money more or less. You're helping them, but in turn they're helping you because their growth is going to help you simultaneously. So if you believe in the overall US economy in growing, if you believe in Apple, for example, as being able to grow, or Samsung being able to grow, or whatever, you believe the company being able to grow in the long run, then there's no reason not to believe that the market will grow in the long run, even if there's a downturn, because there's people behind those investments that get scared when the market goes down, or when they get laid off from work, or they take a demotion at work or something like that when the market's bad, or they just feel like they have less money to spend because inflation is going up so high. It's just because people are scared of reasons that are outside of how companies are actually performing and innovating and improving. They're scared for other valid reasons in their life, but reasons that have nothing to do with whether the market is going to continue to go up or whether the companies behind those stocks are going to continue to improve over the long run.
I think that's the perfect answer.